Hi, I'm Josh and let's make cashew paste. Cashew paste is a gluten-free, dairy-free and vegan alternative to cooking cream, quickly adding a creamy texture to any dish. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like and click the notification bell, thanks. To make around 8 portions of cashew paste, you'll need 200 grams of cashews and enough water to cover and soak. Place the cashews in a bowl and cover with water for 30 to 45 minutes to soften slightly. Drain the cashews but keep some of the water to add back to the paste if required after blending. Put the cashews into a blender and top up with water to cover by about 2 centimeters. Blend the cashews for about 20 to 30 seconds, adding more of the retained water if required until you get a paste the consistency of yogurt. Store in the fridge for 3 to 5 days or freeze in portions for use at a later date. Please remember to like and subscribe and check out this and other recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.